Alright, so right now we're going to remove the parking brake cable from the brakes. And this is drum brakes on a 2010 Chevy truck. Okay, so I'm going to get maybe a flathead. Little flathead. And pretty much, you can see that there's this little bullet guy in here. That's the end of the cable. We got to get it down underneath this piece here. Where am I? Right there. And once we get it underneath it, then we can pull the whole unit out. So let's see if we can do this here. Kind of got to leverage it out a little bit. Now, come on, baby. Gotta like bring it out and down at the same time without stabbing yourself in the hand. Because I'm sure that would not be fun. There we go. Got it. Got it down. And we're just gonna come over here and hopefully, boop, got it. All right, and that's how you remove that side brake with the parking brake, parking brake cable, sorry. And then we got